Hi everyone, this is Erdem from VerifyKit. VerifyKit is a great platform that enables quick login to your mobile apps with mobile phone number only. VerifyKit is available globally for your mobile and web applications. First, I head to verifykit.com. And I click on Use for Free and start to create a new account. You can also sign up with your Google Mail if you want. Then I enter my information and create my account. I go check my email for a verification email from VerifyKit, and here it is in my inbox. I click on the verification link and sign into VerifyKit. In this step, you can start connecting your app. I click on Connect Your App and start configuring my app settings. You can rename your app if you want. Here I rename it to VerifyKit Demo. Now, I'll select messaging platforms to be used for verification in my app. By the way, you can select one or all of the WhatsApp, Telegram, or SMS options. We also offer various theme alternatives for users who would like to both adopt the SMS option and manage their costs. Here you can also find what the verification screen looks like. I would like to proceed with WhatsApp and Telegram. And I provide necessary contact information so that users can reach out to me. This information will be shared with users who request help with verification. My app runs on 3 platforms, so I need to add each platform one by one. I want to add my iOS app first. To begin with, I add my iOS app's bundle ID and deep link. Deep link is crucial to let users go back to the app after verification. On our GitHub page, you can find the instructions regarding what you need to do for deep link integration. I copy this information by clicking on this icon. I'm going to paste it into the codes of my iOS app. I have an important reminder for those who have iOS apps. When you first connect your iOS app, it is important that you select Apple Review mode. Enter the Apple Review version details after you make this selection. Before submitting your app for Apple Review, add phone number and one-time password into the Apple Review note. This way, the verification step of your app could also be reviewed. You need to disable the Apple Review mode option in your VerifyKit account once you have got the approval from the App Store. Next one is the Android app. First, I add the package name and deep link. Lastly, I add the web platform and enter the website address. I save my changes here. After this step, I'm going to continue on the VerifyKit's GitHub page. I'm going to integrate VerifyKit by reviewing the sample codes and documents prepared for iOS, Android, and web platforms. Next step, I'm going to complete the integration by getting help from the documents based on my software language. On this page, you can find documents related to PHP, Python, Node.js, and REST API. I'm going to copy the server key value, which I have generated in my apps before starting the integration. And please keep in mind that server key is highly important for your security, so make sure you store it securely. Now you can start to verify phone numbers for your app with VerifyKit. You can monitor the latest data on the success rates and the number of verifications of your app on the dashboard.